I'm sure you've heard the news. Chainsaws are loud, jets are louder, but nothing compares to Krakatoa's boom. Let's put it to the test. In 1883, Krakatoa exploded with a bang so big people 2,000 miles away thought it was cannon fire. Scientists clocked it at 310 decibels. That's so loud, your eardrums would pop miles away. But how loud is 310 decibels, really? A chainsaw hits about 110 decibel. A jet engine at takeoff around 140. Krakatoa was over 1 billion times more powerful than those. Seriously, you'd need over 1 trillion chainsaws buzzing at once just to come close. The eruption sent shockwaves around the planet, literally circling the globe 3 times. It blasted the island apart, left a massive crater, and changed weather across the world for years. So, next time you gripe about loud noises, remember, unless your neighbor fires up 1 billion chainsaws, Krakatoa still reigns supreme. Subscribe for more? Or didn't hear me? Subscribe for more.